Hey guys, today I'm doing a review on the new Monster High Fashion Sketch Portofilo. Okay, as you can see in the first, there's Dracula and Frankie Stein and the Monster High Skull. It has 155 stickers, 5 stencil sheets. Open it up, it has all the stickers. I don't know why there is Goliath's stickers, because Goliath's not there, even Goliath's earrings. And yeah. There's Neptuna, his set, what's it, Crescent, and 2 of the bat thing. And these are the essentials. All of them, it's so cute. It says Monster Fashion Sketch Portofilo. That's Frankie Stein with her dog Watsit. And styled by, it's shaped like a coffin, and you can write your name. Jeanette Isabella A. McBantay, that's my name. And write in cursive. And here it says Design Monster Fashions, Accessories, and more. That's Claudine, Lagina, Claudine, Frankie. We go here, it has 6-page styles, 6 pages styles, and that is Draculaura and Frankie instructions, but you don't need to follow it if you don't know. Okay, these are the swatches. Any backgrounds you like? Okay, here's the color territory. Here we have Laguna Blue, Claudine, and Cleo. We have Frankie, Draculaura, and Watsit. Here we have Dawn of the Dance, Cleo, and Draculaura. And there's the Gloom Beach. We have Laguna and Cleo. And I did this one. I did the other ones. Where is it? I did the Dawn of the Dance thing. Cleo. I'm going to just find it. I did one. I don't know where is it now. Wait. I'll just find it. And I want to give a shout out to Wookie Warrior 23. And there is that Winx Club, Winx Forever. And yeah, and this is what I did. Cleo, Dawn of the Dance. So yeah, that's her little mummy thing. So I did it. And that's my pencil. I know. So, yeah. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.